Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
I don't know whether to say Endra me bufu ye ana say. I don't know how to describe my emotions that particular time, but say since last week or the last 2 weeks yenyanti say accident esha say AC no. Me mamoti ase say emra ye komu no emu ayedin. I was say Ghana for your bonfire. Me sanso mamoti ase say abrante bi ababonti abeka say accidents ebesi just within this period no a dozen because occurred for a pejabo mumu. Election year election aside election no Christmas and so normally in baby say a yana accident at ICC pan. It's here for Endra dear ni kreni nyamienim. Just a baby am a febia accident as me say hey aseme ne si wagana say. So yesterday the number of accidents are about to me nim say wait dear Dabi. Still Endekra I'm hearing more. I don't even understand. Please, you name Empire Bobo, you Empire Ma no. I don't know whether because of coronavirus no I glow for now first now come Empire Ma on my name and this is our moon cobium. Let's find a way to be praying for the country. Because still just an upper way, wale accident wo. Endra offenso me be reported tremo. And I report na me de buy ne kra no. Nkola between 12 to 15 years. Yes 6 ewuye. Ema ne ebi e wo critical condition no. Yes omo critical condition ne kra ne 2 esanso wu kan ho. Nti nkola 8 Endra in ewuye from offenso accident no. Endra ya so many accidents wo ho. And there amene o ka say no, it was I think yesterday. Konongo Odumase dia na mebo so atremo. Konongo Odumase dia na ye ka no. Etie for 15 people and na me no ka say they are in critical condition. And also accidents no wo hwe die see ya and there amankrofo awo critical condition mu a odwe ho kra won ti ase. And these are reasons bi abeka say now reason why a reason in here was say accident ke say to me see. Konongo Odumase accident si ho Cape Coast all within 1 week and that mesanso at the report abremo and no put the me ready report na atremo policeman on also accident and that no who ye just wo dwen ho kra won ti ase nti police ne dia nenso me de bebremo me de Konongo Odumase dia nenso e bebremo just say wo dwen ho kra what is happening in this country now. Let's start with Konongo Odumase dia no 15 people in critical condition. Ewa Konongo Odumase na uko read this story no tie nsem ni mu a. You see passenger bus commercial vehicle. Ena trese se na medin kan no 15 people. Ya ende amene okase ya admit yo mo ewo Konongo Odumase hospital ewo Ashanti region. So a truck, the accident no a truck Metro Mass Transit bus. Ati ase. Ena die see ye ene say yesi wo bi akwa parking motorbike. Ewo kwan ni mfimfini. The accident was caused by an abandoned motorbike in the middle of the road. Inti truck ni Metro Mass yi be enem say wo mudu ho na pim so wo dodgy o se den na pim. They call him, and the 15 people are in critical condition. TSC Sano never say ye the police for a court Konongo Odumase ho. Quite so because traffic is here. Indiscipline, motorbike in the middle of the road. I don't understand. Say motorbike na say krana, motorbike come to me in Chinko baby. So, eye be insemu, say ye den yo, wo dwo gra won ti ase. Motorbike. Hey. Moto, chefe. Me ti asem no me say Nkrofo car. Essay, e wo kwan finfini krana. They find a way to push the car to the side of the road. Now we the signs at all. Say motorbike na say o di at least say if you walk around na wo so beja wo wa ma put signs there car ba no we hu say oh car bia say e wo infinfin we abandon motorbike in the middle of the road. Ghana bonne ben se motorbike aseka motorbike e say untumi pushi ankwa kwan ne ho pragia ne sa kia ne kra no nkrofu pushi say ankrofu tumi pushi kwa kwan ne ho ka obi ka say ya wono nkwa kra etumi eye such a way say wono nkwa be movie car no ka na say no otumi movie car no ekwa kwan ne ho na wo motorbike we ja motorbike e wo kwan finfini ama track ene metro mass edu ho no atom so wo dodge pa 15 people in critical condition. Tell me, these people, is it their fault? Obi recklessness. Say ye being semo say asuma ni pakro no. Recklessness of the person and akwase sa ade way. Recklessness. Why would this thing happen? Say nya wo man Ghana. Ehe na ade way ye besi. Ehe me ti asem no madwe won sa me say nipa mentasi o abandoned motor just nipa kunu na. That's the story of police for Nekao. Enya me oko my news Ghana nesa Ghana web ni jama almost reported the same story. Was it the accident was caused by an abandoned motorbike in the middle of the road? Abandoned. Not just nipa kunu wanti motorbike ne so. We jam motorbike no e wo kwan ni mfimfini. Radi Yesu Kristo. Hey. We say nye beinsem pa kade ebeka so. We say nye beinsem a kade ebeka so. Say na one abeka asem we achen mani bako ne kra beka say Anyway, say na me din kan try am accident ni de bebre ba me de mienu na ebremo. The other one and also police for akasa e wo ho abrehosem. Police officer be a friend NS Otin ononso trese accident ewo tema onompo de ration e called Temale Teaching Hospital for treatment. Na police for AF4 and a womo eteka anim. Na the other three no NS Otin na wewu the other three no bakudin the Sergeant Seidu Buewi bakunsu din e de Paul Ofori bakunsu din e de Elijah Mensah. Na they've suffered several degree of injuries. As I say, Intino, they see and they say, let me read the report. I see Mohamed Musa, who is 24 years, and the driver of the Temalibolga bound Kia Grand Bad Bus, Kia Grand Bed Bus, was with registration number AS 963420 is said to have run into the police vehicle at the outskirts of Logri in Walewale district of the northeast region. Asem we see Walewale. Inti Kia Grand Bed Bus fan crofo and I just say what then can be she police for canim police no ba kwewu tre no ya rasha mo akọ Temale Teaching Hospital no. The police vehicle was damaged beyond repairs. I say poto. But that me no can say the commercial vehicle driver no, he has been detained. Ya chino. Police for air kasawa asem ne so. Omo say asem no atomo so. Atomo so ama omo hu de wo mo kra wo meye. So I've told you, just within the space of 1 week, accidents are air koso Ghana and then kra me tititibi. You see accident as and so see baby. You see a dear in. But that's what's going on. Mr. Ramo, young bompire. Young bompire, bit to me a bompire, and a young bompire. Now occasionally because me cry me baby me kai last year December banner then unnecessary accidents killing people. But after they say after December na to etwa. And then the man microphone who said that be December no there's something in people are doing rituals or something. because after December no na accident yi nia no ase akofom kakra bia yes December eba Christmas eba na election year so eba pe na afei asanso epija ne mu yambo mpae mtria mwadwe comment box mo T4 that's it.